Belly training honeybee.
Come here. Come. Sit. Up. Sit. Down. Stay. Roll over. Good job! Good job! Stay away from nose. Come here. Come on. Sit. Turn around. Ah! Turn around. Good job! Good job! Can you woof? Oh no, that was a bark. No. Woof. No, not yet. Woof. That was good! Good job! Huh?
I don't know what those taste like.
They're filet mignon.
Give him one.
Flavor.
Oh.
There you go. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. It's over here.
Filet mignon, so good.
Sit. Down. Down. Roll over. No. No, cheater. Roll over. There we go. Good job. Good
Alright.
job.
I wanted to get her leash now.
Where is
I don't
it?
think it's on the porch though, but it's too far away here. Let me just